Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Today we'll be taking us through how to create um, YouTube logo using the Canva software. Of course, I have already opened on my screen canva.com. So you can you just have to go to create new. You can choose any of these suggested um, design platform. Then just go with Facebook cover. So once you simply make YouTube logo. So basically what you need is you need a rectangle. I clicked on my arrow key to generate this rectangle. Then what I have to do is just to scale this a little bit, so I can have a proper rectangle. Then I have to change the background color to, of course, the traditional red. Then I have to add that shape. Go to element, look for my shape. Want to use this one. Have this one here. I just have to rotate this. Then scale it down a little bit. Bring it here. Of course, change the font color to white. Okay, so what I need to do, because this is customized, I have to just give it my own design. So what I need to do is to click on the rectangle shape, go to border style, round, corner round. Just have to increase it. You can see this corner, the changes that is made on that. Okay, so you can increase it to whatever length you want, but I just have to stick with 75. Then I give it my border color to be black, just to make it different. Scale it a little bit down, then keep it black. All right, so what I need to do is to export this to as a PNG, so that the background can be transparent. So I go to share, go to download. I should click on my transparent background, then click on download. So I have is I have my file. I can look at it. So here I have my YouTube logo. So that's all. Thank you for staying tuned. The next video I'll be showing us how to make other logo, Instagram, LinkedIn logo. Thank you.